name's Chelsea and I am the owner of House of Groom. Today we're going to be grooming two Australian Labradoodles called Ruby and Roo. On their last groom, Ruby and Roo were taken shorter for the winter months, bad weather. Their mama has them out every single day. But they have a photo shoot, very exciting photo shoot coming up at end of March. So we're actually going to grow them out. We're going to grow them out because we want them to look like this. They don't look like that at the minute, they're too short. So we want to get them looking back in their nice, fluffy, dense Australian Labradoodle coat. So come along and have a watch. Hi girlies. You're late. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, big girl. Coffee's good. Yeah, I'm so excited to see what you fluff up like. Wonder are we going to end up having to do a full groom if they're too fluffy. I wonder if their mum's going to want a wee bit off them. Aye. In Northern Ireland, I am pretty sure rarely anyone grooms Australian Labradoodles, and I have around, who have we got? We've got Ruby, we've got Roo, we've got Hudson, we've got Ruby, Roo, Hudson, we've got Roger, we have Fudge, we've got Barney, we've got Rua, we've got Ruin, and who else? Studley. So what is that, 10 we're on? I know, I feel like I'm forgetting somebody. This face a really good wash because we want a nice clean face. I'm just gonna wash. Oh, that's Sophie. I really think she is gonna double in coat size. I have a funny feeling that she is a lot longer than we thought she was, because Ruby has quite a curly coat compared to some of the others, like Roo over there. Roo has curls, but I would say she's a wee bit more of a straighter coat, at least definitely than Ruby. Ruby is very curly, and Ruby and Roo are half sisters. I cannot for the life of me remember if it's same mum, different dad, or same dad. I think it's same mum, to be fair. So when we're washing a face, we don't want to waterboard our dogs. Let's not get the shower and go like this all over and soak their whole faces. Dogs do not like that. What I like to do is get the water, hold it nice and close to the face, because what you'll find is you get a nice stream of water that naturally comes down here and naturally comes down here. Dogs never tend to like the water in their face too much anyway, so you want to kind of prevent, just getting it and absolutely soaking their face, because who would want that? And then what you can do, if you have a lot of soap around here on the nose and the dog is obviously putting away, what you can do is put their head down. Ruby's such a good model. Put their head down, cover their nose here, and just let that run down like that. That way, when she lifts up, it's not all in her nose. And she's not going to hate me for it. Isn't that right, Ribs? And then when we're going in with our towel, after I've given her a coat wee squeeze out, when I go in with the towel again, I want to scrunch. Just so we're not like rubbing and creating any mats. Just want to give her a good scrunch out. Yeah. You're the goodest girl. You're just the goodest girl. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I like to go in with my conditioning spray, but I just had to order a new bottle. So let's see if we can get any of it out, because I would rather use the last of it on Ruby over Roo, because Roo tends to brush out easier. have a look at this on their wee ears to protect their ears. Oh, there's your mom. Good, how are you? Apart from your broken foot.
Honestly, it's so fucking sore.
To see this big mama because I don't know where this coat has come from. What is going on? So see from like here, I don't know if this makes sense. I would like these to go down.
Yeah.
And only this corner bit to be cut.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Because she needs thickness in here.
Yes.
What?
You're pretty good.
So there we go. We're going to brush her all out and then we're going to go down her with the longest comb attachment, which is an 8. If the 8 doesn't take anything off the coat, I'm going to move down to a comb attachment 7. I just basically want to take a little bit off so she's tidy, but we want to keep this thick bit. Already giving me you're such a good girl. We're going to switch over to our 7F and shave under these armpits. Armpits are one of the worst places for matting, so I'm not joking when I say you just want them bald. Keep them bald. It will save you a lot of hassle down the line. Skim down it. Trim here. Was this front part? Around it falls on her eyes. Good girl, Ruby. And just slightly trim the bottom, just to give it a tiny bit of shape while also not taking much length of it. I'm only going to take this corner. I only want this corner piece of her eye trimmed going forward. I want the rest just in there. As you can see, it's just a teeny bit. I want this to grow down. What we're going to do is find where Ruby's lather is, which is about here. So I want to take the rest of that off to keep that nice short ear. I'll just brush this out. Lovely. So let me feel it again. Perfect. Hey, Ruby. Hey, Ruby. How do people do this? Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Did I let go? Where am I? Let me walk. What if I walk out now? Hi. No.